Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to BullX NEO. So please do consider liking and subscribing to the channel because we're doing this on the regular. So here we are in BullX NEO, but the first thing we want to do is go to our Phantom wallet. Now on our Phantom wallet, you'll see mine says account 1. All we want to do is hover over that and it'll show you all your different wallets, and we want to copy our Solana wallet. So just click right over here and that'll copy your Solana wallet address. Now you're pretty much done with Phantom wallet. So now in BullX NEO, you want to navigate to the wallet manager as you can see on the screen. From there, we're going to go to withdraw wallet and we're going to say add wallet. Now we want to set this onto Solana wallet. We want to name our wallet and then enter that wallet address that we copied. So you can just paste it in here and say add wallet. And that's it. You have successfully added your Phantom wallet to BullX NEO.